Hello and welcome to the Key to Your Success tip number 4. I'm your host, Anna Cakebread from Stylist Success BootCamp. All right, number 4, how do you track and set your own goals? How many clients did you see last month? These are very important because client ranges from either part-time or full-time, right? So they can either be 40 clients at part-time or 90 clients at full each month. So how much do you need each month to pay for your overhead, rent, utilities, credit card minimums, your phone, any loans, insurance, anything that you have agreed upon is your overhead. That's not including food because all that can be optional of how much you actually spend on that stuff. So let's just take the baseline. Now take the total of that amount and divide that by your haircut prices. Just that one price, just that minimum price. This will give you the number of clients that you need to see each month at a minimum. Okay? So think about that for a minute. Now you have a certain amount that you have to get, but now you need to know how many clients on that bare minimum of just a haircut alone. So I would say leave the tips out of that as a bonus because those you can set away for savings and for a playtime. That's what I do. So let's say you need $3,000 to live off of. That is your overhead. Now divide that by your haircut. Maybe it's $45. Let's say it's that. You would need 67 clients each month. So take 3,000 divided by 45, and then you'd get the amount of clients that you need to see each month. So share how many clients below that you saw last month and how many more you need to start feeling like you're about to, so that you can rock it, so that you can feel like you are above water instead of below water. So let's goal set here so that we can get on to tip number 5.